The new 2025 Hero Super Splendor has arrived, combining style, performance, and reliability to meet the needs of modern riders. This latest model represents a perfect balance of innovation and practicality, making it an ideal choice for commuters and enthusiasts alike. With its refreshed design and advanced features, the Super Splendor takes your daily rides to the next level. The bike is powered by a refined engine that offers exceptional fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Its 125cc engine delivers smooth power and a responsive ride, ensuring you can navigate city streets and open highways with ease. The updated fuel injection technology further enhances efficiency, making it an economical yet powerful choice for riders looking for long-term value. Design is a standout aspect of the 2025 Hero Super Splendor. With a sporty and sleek body, the bike features dynamic graphics and a premium finish that captures attention wherever it goes. The carefully crafted ergonomics provide a comfortable riding posture, making it suitable for daily commuting as well as longer journeys. LED lighting adds a modern touch while improving visibility and safety. The 2025 Super Splendor is equipped with advanced features to enhance the riding experience. The fully digital instrument cluster offers a clear and intuitive display, providing key information like speed, fuel level, and trip data at a glance. The inclusion of a USB charging port ensures riders can stay connected and powered up on the go, meeting the needs of today's tech-savvy generation. Safety is a top priority in this new model. With an advanced braking system featuring integrated braking technology (IBT), the bike ensures effective stopping power and improved control. The robust suspension system provides a smooth ride, even on rough roads, while the tubeless tires enhance grip and stability. Hero has also focused on durability and low maintenance for the 2025 Super Splendor. With a high-quality build and reliable components, this bike is designed to perform consistently over the years. The addition of a larger fuel tank reduces the need for frequent refueling, making it a practical choice for those who travel long distances regularly.